What is up, guys? It's Killer Penguins here, and today I'm bringing you another tutorial. This one's going to be over OBS MultiPlatform. It's going to be how to download, install with the best recording software. I'm not going to go over streaming mainly because I'm not a big streamer and I don't know how to do it. But if you guys would like me to do something about streaming and how to set up streaming and stuff like that, I'll figure it out and we'll do a video over it. So first what you want to do is download it, and how you're going to do that is type in OBS to Google search. The first website that pops up here is pretty much the best bet. Go here. It should pop up a screen like this. On the left here you're going to get the original OBS for just Windows, and on the right you're going to get the multi-platform, and you can read all about it right here. This right here. And then you can read all about the regular one down here. But the multi-platform is the one that I'm going to be focusing on today. And so the multi-platform supports Windows, obviously Mac and Linux, and you download the one that you use. So in my case it would be Windows 10, so I'd download that one. Wait for it to download. Launch it after it downloads, install it. I agree. Tell where it needs to download. This is the space required right here. And I don't need to do that, I've already done it. So what you're going to want to do is whenever you open it, you're going to get something that looks like this. Alright, so scenes are basically the stage. Sources are what's like the props and the actors on the stage. So what you're going to want to do first is make a scene. Alright. Name it whatever you want. I'm going to name mine test. Alright, and then on inside that scene you can select them and then add different things to each one of them. You can also delete them by hitting the minus button. I don't want to delete it. You can also select it and move it up and down. That's not really, unless you want to like organize it in here, it's not really that important to me. So inside, select the one you want to add stuff to, and hit this plus button to add sources, which are pretty much the actors. So the main ones we're going to go over is media sources, text, which is pretty much just text over the video or whatever you're doing, and media sources is pretty much images. I don't use this one. I don't really know how to use it. And then display capture, it pretty much captures the whole display. Window capture captures a specific window. So first we're going to want to do a display capture. Hit add. It doesn't matter what you name it. I'll name it just something random. Hit OK. And then here are your displays. So you can change what display you go over and stuff like that. Hit OK. And then that is what's here. You can also resize it with this, but that's pretty much what you're going to want to do. So then hit another one. Hit add. I'm going to add a window capture. Name it whatever you want, but I'm going to keep it default this time. Hit OK. I'm going to add a Chrome, the Google Chrome right here. This is what it's going to capture right here. This is a window, the window for Google Chrome. And then window class, capture cursor. That's pretty much if it captures my cursor over that window. And then hit OK. And then here is that. And then you can also reformat it. So say if I wanted to record something here but have this in the corner, you can add it right there. So then say if I wanted, oh god, no, you don't want to delete it. Unless you want to delete it, you can. But say if I wanted to add some text to say like look here or something, you can hit OK. Change it to look here. And then you can change this to whatever font you want, whatever font style and font size you want, and the strikeout, underline, all this different stuff. It's pretty editable. So then I hit OK because I don't really care what it looks like right now. All these different things are, you can change the color, the drop shadow, the outline, and yeah. So then you hit OK whenever you have it what you want. It'll show up here in the small, but you can resize it. I'll change mine to about that big. Say look here. You can also add images. So your media source, name it whatever you want. We'll keep it default right now. I'm going to do local file, browse, hit desktop, go to my desktop backgrounds. I'm going to add this one. and all these different things you can check mark for. I'm pretty sure that's GIF right there and stuff like that. Hit OK. You can resize it, put it up in this corner. So that's pretty much how you're going to want to do that. And these different things are layers. So say if I want to put this underneath this right here. So this is media source, this one, and this is text file. So you're going to want to move this one up, and then you'll be able to do that. So, yep, that's how you do that. Alright, so right here are your audio files. So this is your mic, this is your desktop audio, and then this is like media source. This is going to be this one. And so after you've done this and gone over all this stuff, you're going to want to go to settings, and this is where all of your like video and stuff are. So this stuff you can change the language here in dark to default. So default looks like that, dark looks like that. I obviously like dark better. So stream, this is where you're gonna set up how to stream and stuff, which I don't really do, so I don't have it set up. Output, so I keep this on simple. You can go to advanced, but I keep it on simple. You can keep this 2500, keep that the same. Don't check mark that. Change this to wherever you want your video output to be. So whenever you're taking a video, where do you want the file to go? This is general file name without space. I don't think it really matters whether you have it or not. Here is where it's important. If you want, like, you gotta check to see if it's lagging, like while you make a video, see if your video's lagging, if you're going low frame rate or whatnot. This is what you're gonna want to mainly change right here. I have it in the middle, good medium. I'd suggest this for a very low-end computer, this for a pretty decent computer, and this for like a god computer right here. It takes a lot of energy out of your computer to do it, but you can. And the MP4 is a good one to go with, or you can do movie. I don't know, but I'd recommend MP4. It's gonna be default FLV. I don't know why, but MP4 is a pretty good one. So the codec is software times 264. That's a good codec. So video or audio, you're going to want to keep all this stuff the same, never edit it. Video, you're going to want to change this one. I'm pretty sure mine was set for this right here. That's the default. And you're going to want to change that to 1920 by 1080. And then the average FPS, you can change this to whatever you want. I'm fine with 30 FPS on mine. And then hotkeys are I changed mine to start recording and stop recording to F8, so I just tap that whenever I want to start recording that whatever my scene is, and F8 to stop recording. So this stuff keep the same as well. Hotkeys, you can edit all these, mute your desktop audio, different things like that. So that's pretty much the basics. If you guys need any help, just comment down below. I'll see what I can do, see what I can help you with, and thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.